Nature, the very salt of life, a vast array of wondrous creatures and flourishing greenery that may improve one's day with a little amount of observation, or such was my belief at the outset of my journey.
I had thought it merely a matter of watching and reflecting, for we humans are but faint shadows of what we once were before civilization took hold. Yet, upon hearing of a small town called El Bolson, where a deep bond with nature resides in the heart of each inhabitant, I came to a realization. I could, perhaps, speak with nature itself. Thus, I felt compelled to seek out at least one Bolsonian to understand their connection. At first, I feared that none would speak my tongue, yet, upon my arrival, I encountered an Irish fellow who, after some negotiations, graciously agreed to an interview. His name? Osvalto, and he changed the course of my life thenceforth.
Well, thank you very much for accepting this interview.
My pleasure.
Well, tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your name?
My name is Osvalto McCarthy. Almost like McCartney, you know, the singer from the Beatles.
Do you like the Beatles?
I love the Beatles, man.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Well, I don't hear the Beatles really, but I love them. I was born in Ireland. My mother died. So we came here with my dad. We heard stories that there were hippies here. Since we're a hippie family, we came here, you know. And it was really great because I felt like home.
How do you like living here?
Well, it's great, really. I mean, you've got all your crops, very nice people. I think there's few better places in the world. In my taste, this is the better, man.
Tell me about your plants.
Well, I've got some tomatoes. I've got some asparagus. They're all very tasty, very helpful for your health. And I love them, man. I give them love. I speak to them, man. And that's what's being connected to nature is really like. I mean, it goes beyond words, like poetry, you know.
How do you feel about speaking to nature? Does it speak to you in certain ways?
Well, I mean, I think speaking to nature goes beyond words. I think in our sedentary society, we've lost that. The natural spirit of our minds and the mind of nature is not separated, you know. And I think one can speak with plants really. And I communicate with nature. Fuck off.
And what do you work for?
Well, I was walking as you interrupted me a while ago in the crops. I recollect apples and strawberries. The best walk you can have, really. And maybe, you know, since we're in quite of a drug town, I manage myself with drugs a little bit. You smoke marijuana?
No,
Smoke pot?
I don't.
You should, man. You should smoke pot.
Well, is that mate?
Yeah, it is. It's mate. I just put some.
It's a very common drink in here in Argentina, right?
Well, yeah, they drink it all day. It's like tea in the British Isles, you know. Yeah, it's great. Great for the health.
Oh. Okay.
You want some?
Yeah. I'll take some.
I'm telling you, man, you'll love it. You'll really love it, man.
Well, yeah. Quite tasty. It tastes like coconut.
Well, I put some coconut.
Oh.
I also put some shrooms. I gathered it from the crops there.
Oh. What did you say? Did you put shrooms in this one?
Yeah.
A lot?
You know, just a little bit.
Do you mean psychedelic?
Yeah, Never taken any, man?
No? What didn't you tell me?
Didn't you wanted to talk to the nature, to the plants? Man, you have you're gonna have a deep connection now. So chill out, man. It's gonna be fine.
Well, I can't chill out, you know. I'm being drugged, you know, by you.
Yeah, man. But that's gonna be the past. No, man, you have to
I'm
chill
starting
out.
to feel a bit weird.
I'm gonna chill you out, man.
Oh, fuck. Well, this
Shrooms?
is something new. Oh, I'm feeling really light. I feel like my body is starting to float.
And then, with the chant of that guitar my fellow played, all became clear unto me. The trees and plants joined in song, and the senseless truth was laid bare. I was one, and I was whole. I was every drop of water in the boundless ocean, every cloud adrift in the sky, every star that ever shone, and every leaf that ever danced upon the wind. I was newborn. I was child and mother alike. I was Osvalto. I was free.